Top 10 Veggies and Herbs for a Healthy Liver. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore the top 10 vegetables and herbs that are commonly associated with promoting a healthy liver. It's important to note that please consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized advice. Now, let's dive into the wonderful world of vegetables and herbs. Number 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are excellent choices for liver health. Packed with nutrients and antioxidants, these greens contain chlorophyll, which helps to eliminate toxins from the body. Additionally, they are rich in vitamins and minerals that support overall liver function. Number 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage belong to the cruciferous vegetable family, which is known for its liver-supportive properties. These vegetables are rich in glucosinolates, sulfur-containing compounds that stimulate liver enzymes involved in detoxification. By enhancing the liver's ability to eliminate toxins, cruciferous vegetables play a vital role in maintaining liver health. Number 3. Beets. Beetroots are vibrant and nutritious vegetables that offer numerous benefits for the liver. They are high in antioxidants, particularly betalains, which help protect liver cells against oxidative stress. Beets also contain betaine, a compound that supports liver function by promoting the flow of bile and aiding in the body's natural detoxification processes. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic is a popular herb used for both culinary and medicinal purposes. It contains sulfur compounds, such as allicin, which activate liver enzymes responsible for detoxification. Garlic also possesses anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation in the liver and promote its overall health. Number 5. Turmeric. Known for its vibrant yellow color and distinctive flavor, turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. The active compound in turmeric, called curcumin, exhibits potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties make turmeric beneficial for liver health as it helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress that can damage liver cells. Number 6. Artichoke. Artichokes are not only delicious but also beneficial for liver health. They contain a compound called cynarin, which stimulates the production and secretion of bile. By increasing bile flow, artichokes aid in the digestion and absorption of fats, promote liver detoxification, and support overall liver function. Number 7. Dandelion greens. Dandelion greens have a long history of use in traditional medicine for liver ailments. These bitter greens stimulate liver function, promote bile production, and assist in detoxification processes. Dandelion greens are also rich in antioxidants, which help protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. Number 8. Ginger. Widely recognized for its aromatic and spicy flavor, ginger is a versatile herb with numerous health benefits. Ginger contains gingerol, a bioactive compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties contribute to its potential in supporting liver health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. Number 9. Green tea. Green tea is well known for its health-promoting properties, including its positive impact on liver health. It contains catechins, which are powerful antioxidants that help protect liver cells from damage. Green tea has also been found to reduce inflammation in the liver and support its overall function. Number 10. Milk thistle. Milk thistle, also known as Silybum marianum, is an herb commonly used to support liver health. It contains a flavonoid complex called silymarin, which exhibits antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Silymarin has been shown to protect liver cells, promote their regeneration, and support the liver's detoxification processes. Incorporating these vegetables and herbs into your diet can provide essential nutrients, antioxidants, and compounds that support liver health. However, it's important to remember that a balanced diet, regular exercise, and overall healthy lifestyle practices are key factors in maintaining optimal liver function. If you have specific concerns about your liver health, consulting with a healthcare professional is always advisable. If you want to request a video with another topic about health, please let us know in the comments section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.